Hey everyone, so we're up on the Highline. We entered through the 28th Street entrance on the west side, and we're gonna take a walk from here to 34th Street, and then we'll head back. See you then. Walking down the Highline. All right, so we're heading toward 34th Street, and as we're walking along, there's buildings all around us with windows out really close. Actually, so close you can see inside, which I'm surprised that people will buy a place to live, because I would hate to live when my window has a constant draw of eyeballs looking in. There's some artwork like this one here, and this is also one of the numbers of artworks that's available in the Highline. As you can see right here, this is Explore with a Guide, so they give free tours in Highline. And as we walk, this is also close to the Hudson Yards. So if you look at this is the Shed, which is a multicultural art institution. And then on that side is Hudson Yards shopping, and then in the middle is the Vessel. And from here, as I walk toward 34th Street, you can see that these are still actual railroad tracks located on the Highline. So these were the original ones. I mean, I'm sure they renovated, but these were the original tracks that were up here that were used back then for transportation in the Highline. We're looking out the end. This is actually toward the end, 34th Street, and you see the subway cars. Those are storage that they put here. Unfortunately, when I arrived, they closed this entrance off. So for some reason they closed this off. Otherwise, we would be able to go all the way down to 34th Street. But at this time, it was closed. And from this location at the end, you can see like the Vessel, again, you know, the subway storage for the cars. And this is pretty much it, the end at the time that I went. All right, now you look at this, these are the wheels for the Shed. And that's what I was talking about earlier, where the Shed actually is able to move front and back depending on how much room they need. And this area, which is a little bit off, there's also another artwork. I'm not sure what this is, but it seems to be some kind of medieval elf, maybe. Very interesting artwork, nicely crafted. Seems like little bits of jewels on it, which is very interesting. All right, here we have the Zaha Hadid building, one of the last project the famous architect built before her death. It was complete in 2017, and the apartment ranges or starts at 3 million and up. Okay, so everyone wants to know when's the best time to visit Highline without the crowds. Well, the best time to visit Highline without the crowds generally is on a weeknight, on a weekday. So the Highline generally closes around 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. depending on the season. So anytime after 6 p.m. is a good time to visit. Or you can go as early as 7 a.m. in the morning. They open up 7 a.m. generally throughout the season. So you can go early without the crowds bothering you, and you can take your time looking at the sights. All right, the buildings you're looking at right now is called the Lantern Houses. They were built in 2020. Prices range from 2.5 million, I believe, and up. And these were just finished, the most recently finished buildings in Chelsea. Yes. Another place you want to visit is this overpass located a little before 18th Street. I believe it's around 16th Street. And it has a direct view with large windows looking at 10th Avenue. If you go down and look through the window, you can see 34th Street very clearly, and also the Hudson Yards straight down. All right, so we're walking down this corridor, which generally has a lot of food vendors, but because it's not spring, none of the vendors are here. So if you do visit, please do check out this area at that time. This is the end of the line after traveling 8 blocks. So until next time, hope to see you in my next video. I'll update you. Please subscribe and like, and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.